Busy household at the moment. We've all just got in, but I wanted to show you a really quick tip of what I've learned, and I've done it once and it's worked. So if this doesn't work now, that's purely and simply because the camera's on. Welcome if you just stopped by. I'm Sally Jacks, Sally Jacks TV Mum, and I would love you to subscribe to this channel. The subscribe button, I believe, is here. If I've got this right this time, I believe it's down this end. Basically, it's all about all different kinds of things, crafting. It's about my life in television, my life as a working mum, family life, because you'll see Gary coming in a minute. He's just changing the cat litter box. We've been at my mum's for tea today. I tell you what I've done today, which has been absolutely amazing, is learning about meditation, but that's a whole new vlog that I'm going to be doing. But one thing that really interests me and I love, and of course that comes with meditation, but I've always loved them anyway, is candles. Candles is something that we have all around the house, and I've always got them lit. And you can buy very expensive ones. I've got some Jo Malone, but I've also got some cheap B&M bargains, Yankee candles. I tell you what I do love. I love this make, which is DW Home. This is the pumpkin, white pumpkin. Oh, this sell in TK Maxx around Halloween, and it is the most amazing smell or scent you will have ever smelt. Now, what I want to show you is that you can make your own candles. Yes, and it's so easy. But what the best thing is about it, obviously wax is made up of two types, what I've found out. Now, you might be an expert, so please comment below if you are and you've got any tips and tricks for other people, because obviously I can only tell you what I've been learning recently. Yes, sweetheart?
When I've eaten this, can you make me another one?
Yes, I can, sweetheart. He likes watermelon. Don't throw away your empty candles. One, you can use the container, and two, there's a little bit left in that. This is a Yankee candle. Look how dark the glass gets with the wicks. That wick gets too fat at the top, so I have to trim it. That's a Yankee candle that smells gorgeous because that's cinnamon stick. I've also got one of these. I think this was from M&S. So I've got some red candle in there. But that was a candle that I bought this year. I don't know where I got it from, but now it's empty and I've got a great container. Well, if you go in Hobbycraft, those containers alone roughly work out to be anything between £3.50 and £5.50. So I'm going to show you how you can not make candles. That's going to be in a different one. Candles wax is made up of, I think it's called soy wax and paraffin wax. Obviously, the first one is the better one. And then all they do is scent them with like essential oils, etc. So what I'm going to show you today is how I cleared this of the wax, because if you get one that hasn't got a tea light in like that or that, and you want the container, you want to get that wax out, and you know, you go hell for leather trying to get it out. You're going to scratch the pot, and of course you never fully get rid of it. Now obviously you want to get rid of the wick, but hang on, excuse me, I'll show you here. So I'm collecting in a bag, because of course you can use this wax again. Look at all this wax I have recently collected from candles. Look at that. I've recently collected from candles. Now that will be from pots, but it will also be from candles where, you know, when it burns down the middle and then you still got that massive outer. So what I do is I tend to heat a knife over the flame, and then I cut through the top. Yes, sweetheart. He wants another slice. Gary's going like this, creeping under the camera so you don't see him. Gary, you haven't shut the door. Hang on a minute. Are you coming in, Zippy? Come on. I'll get you on in a moment, sweetheart. I'm just showing how to do this, but we need to go up for a bath, don't we? So what I've done is boiled the kettle, and I'm going to... I'm going to move the camera so you can see what I'm doing. By the way, I am going to do a whole vlog on that meditation. Don't forget to subscribe. So if I just bend you down here, what I've done, so this is the one that I cleared, and then I've got these and these. So what you do is you want to boil your kettle. And once you've boiled your kettle, you're then going to pour it in. And what happens is, I don't know how, but the water gets underneath it and kind of lifts the wax. So you're going to be able to get it out. So I'm going to demonstrate on this one. And I might do, in fact, I may as well pour it into all three, mightn't I? So I'm going to do that now.
Where's the game?
Where's the game? It's in your playroom, sweetheart. So, here we go. I'm going to pour this over like so. This is all you do to get rid of it.
Mummy, I don't mean the game what we played at night, what we played yesterday.
You mean the phonics game?
Yeah.
That's on the side next to the telly in Mummy and Daddy's room. You know where the big clock is? It's there. You can go and get it from there. So what basically you put this boiling water in, and then that gets to work and gets underneath the wax. It's really, I mean, I can't believe that it's so simple, and I've never known how to do it before. But if you've got things like, I mean, obviously I know Jo Malone candles, and you don't want to get rid of that lovely container, and you want to start making your own, because I'm telling you something, I haven't made my own yet. I've done this, but I haven't made my own yet. But if it's as simple as what they're saying, I've ordered the wicks, which I've just got off eBay. If it's as simple as this, because all I need to do is melt down the wax I've already got, or buy more wax, and you can just do that over your stove. But you need to keep hold of, which I've got in the back room, you need to keep hold of an empty tin, so like a baked bean tin, or you know, one of your bigger soup tins or something like that. But apparently this goes under, I don't know how long you need to leave it, because I can't remember how much I left that one, but you just, and then apparently they just pop out. It is supposed to be that super easy, which I did do with the last one. But it might just take a little bit more time. Oh no, 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 no. Let's see this one. Yeah, there we go, that's loose. Let me try this one. Okay, just ask him to get it out of Mummy and Daddy's bedroom. Here, look. Oh my gosh. So the Yankee Candle one, I've just gone round with a knife. Are you ready? Oh, it's not going to come out, so I might need to bend it a little bit. Look at that. That has just come out of the jar. So that's the bottom part. So now all I'm going to do is stick it in that bag. I mean, obviously I'm not going to mix it with the ones that are cream or white, but I might mix it with the coloured ones. Just clean that out with some soapy water. And I'm also going to spray that with Windoline. Now, the other thing, if you don't want, because of course I'm not going to make another cinnamon because it's over, it's not Christmas now. So all you would want to do is take off the label as well, which is obviously, once I get round to it, it'll be simple to do. Let me see if this one's come out, because the Yankee Candle one was so easy, wasn't it? So I suppose different ones are going to be, this one looks like it's been a bit tough. Now, if you are an expert, you might know a better way. No, that's not, that probably needs a little bit longer. And that one, I actually think there wasn't enough wax in it. So, but I can still use that container. Now, I'm not going to throw those down the sink because it's going to clog it up. So what I will do is I will throw those outside in the garden. So I'll just clean those out and with a little bit of soapy water. Don't throw that down your sink because it'll clog your sinks. Throw it out in the back garden or wherever, on the back street or wherever. And then I'm going to come back and show you that cleaned out. This one has definitely just needed a little bit more time. So as I scoop that one out, you can see it's just come out as clean as anything, as clean as a whistle. So I'm going to pop that in. In fact, I'll just take the wicks out as well. So here we go. There's the wicks being, I just pulled the wicks out with a knife. And then again, don't go and pour this down your, let's see if I can get that out, this third wick. Yes, it's come out really easy. Don't go and pour this down your sink because it'll probably have a whole lot of wax in there. Just pour it, I don't know, outside, wherever you can, in a plastic, I don't know where you're going to put it, but don't put it down a drain. Because obviously, that's going to cause a whole lot of trouble. See the finished result? That's my Yankee Candle jar. So I've also taken the sticker off as well. There's still a few remnants, so I need to do a little bit more work, but a great tip. Please, if you've got one better, I would love to know it. But one of my, I mean, it's only Tesco's, but it's like Windoline. No, that's multi-clean surface, but Windoline is what I normally use on it. And Windoline normally brings this. I'm sure it's the vinegar. If anybody knows anything better, then please leave. But I will get all that off. That will come off. So that's a whole jar that can be for the next candle. And if I put my own essential oils in there, then I'm the one that's filling the room with whatever the scent that I want. Now, the red candle has come out really simply. You saw it was a little bit harder than the Yankee Candle because the water needed to get underneath it a little more, and because I prodded and poked it with a knife, of course you've got some scratches on the bottom. However, when I fill that again with wax, whether it be white or whether it be red, because of course to put the red in you just put a little bit of colouring in, to be able to use that again, that's going to be simple because you're not going to see the bottom of that, and that's going to be able to take 3 wicks. The wicks I got were a little bit longer, so I can use them in that kind of jar, but I can also use them in that kind of jar and of course the smaller ones. This is one of my vlogs that is going to be coming up, how to make candles, but I thought that was really easy and a super duper way to save you money from going out buying other jars, especially if you've got something as beautiful as the bigger ones with the Yankee Candles and Jo Malone or any other expensive one. So there's a really good tip, because also as well, things like your B&M candles, etc. I mean, you know, you could be using those to put your cotton wool pads in when they're on the side in your bedroom, so you can be using them for all sorts. Or you can be having them out the kitchen sink maybe to put, I don't know, there's loads of different things that you can do with them. So that's a little tip. And of course, if you make your own candle, you can then be giving them away as presents as well for Valentine's or for birthdays. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you give us a thumbs up, and any comments would be appreciated because I'm only just starting out with this, so I just wanted to share what I learned. So if you know anything that's even better for getting marks out, then please let me know, and I'll see you tomorrow. Love you.